We are pleased to show you the 2020 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here, and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.